Today, I am reviewing the LEVOIT Air Purifier for home bedroom. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to breathe cleaner, fresher air at home, the LEVOIT Vital 100 Air Purifier is a fantastic choice. Designed specifically for bedrooms and medium-sized rooms, this compact yet powerful air purifier makes improving your indoor air quality effortless and effective. One of the standout features of the Vital 100 is that it's AHAM verified, which means it has been independently tested and certified by the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers. AHAM sets strict standards for air cleaning performance and energy efficiency, so you can trust that this purifier is reliable and genuinely effective. Choosing an AHAM-certified device ensures that the air you're breathing is being filtered properly and efficiently, giving you peace of mind, especially if you or your family suffer from allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to dust and airborne particles. The Vital 100 is surprisingly compact for its power. Despite its small footprint, it offers a 105 CFM cadre and can clean up to 788 square feet of space in just an hour. That makes it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even home offices. Its design is sleek and unobtrusive, and with top-facing air vents, you can easily place it against a wall or tuck it into a corner without worrying about airflow being blocked. When it comes to filtering, the Vital 100 uses a 3-stage filtration system for maximum effectiveness. The pre-filter catches hair, pet dander, and larger debris, which is perfect for households with pets. The main HEPA-style filter captures dust, pollen, and other fine airborne particles, ensuring that even the smallest irritants are removed from your indoor air. Finally, the carbon filter takes care of odors, smoke, and volatile organic compounds, leaving your room smelling fresh and clean. This multi-layer approach ensures that every breath you take is cleaner and healthier. Comfort is also a priority with the Vital 100. Operating at a whisper-quiet 24 decibels, this purifier won't disturb you while you sleep or work. If you're sensitive to lights, you'll appreciate that the display can be turned off at night, letting you rest comfortably without distraction. And with convenient features like a timer setting for 2, 4, or 8 hours and a check filter indicator, the Vital 100 makes maintenance simple and hassle-free. Replacement filters are easy to find and install. Depending on your usage, the filters should be replaced every 6 to 8 months. For optimal performance and longevity, always use official LEVOIT filters, designed specifically for the Vital 100. Off-brand filters may not fit correctly and can compromise the purifier's performance, so sticking with genuine LEVOIT replacements ensures your device continues working efficiently for years. Another great feature is its user-friendly design. Despite being compact, the Vital 100 doesn't compromise on airflow or coverage, making it easy to integrate into any room setup. Whether it's your bedroom, office, or living space, this purifier fits seamlessly while delivering consistent, clean air. In summary, the LEVOIT Vital 100 Air Purifier is a perfect combination of power, efficiency, and convenience. It's AHAM verified, uses a sophisticated 3-stage filtration system, operates quietly, and is compact enough for any room in your home. With easy maintenance, reliable filter replacements, and excellent performance in removing dust, pollen, pet hair, smoke, and odors, the Vital 100 is an essential device for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and breathe easier every day. If you want a purifier that's quiet, efficient, and truly effective, the LEVOIT Vital 100 is an excellent choice for keeping your home fresh, healthy, and clean.